A well-trained dog doesn't pull the leash. Walking together creates trust and perfect teamwork.
Leave it. Self-control is one of the greatest lessons a dog can learn. Patience always earns the best reward.
Fetch. Fetching is more than a game. It teaches focus, obedience, and cooperation.
Speak. Quiet. A smart dog knows not only when to speak, but also when to stay quiet.
Every new obstacle makes your dog stronger, smarter, and more confident. The best trained dog isn't just obedient, it's a loyal friend for life.